Imagine being at a party in the not-too-distant future and telling people you are a synthetic reality producer. That's something sure to elicit quite a bit of curiosity. On the other hand, it may be a common job title by the year 2030. There's been a fair bit of chatter lately about the prospect of artificial intelligence usurping or taking away job opportunities from developers to creators. However, AI will never operate entirely on its own in a vacuum. There will always be a need for skilled professionals to make sure any systems or solutions are doing what they're supposed to be doing. As a result, we may see some interesting new types of jobs arising that have yet to be conceived. A few years ago, nobody would have imagined needing a team to train your chatbot to act like your brand. But here we are, said Daniel Gorlovetsky, CEO at TLV Tech. The next wave of jobs will be about shaping how AI shows up in the world, not just building it. We asked Gorlovetsky, along with other leaders and experts across the industry, to take their best shot at envisioning what jobs AI may spur, and came up with an interesting assortment. 1. AI Agent Interaction. Architect. This will be the person who designs how AI agents interact with each other, with systems, and with humans across complex workflows, said Tal Lev-Ami, CTO and co-founder of Cloudinary. In the present, we build software for user interfaces, but in the very near future, we'll be architecting agent conversations that will define how one LLM consults another, how visual data APIs are invoked in context, and how these multi-agent systems stay coordinated, reliable, and permission-aware. This role will sit at the intersection of system design, security, and UX, way beyond the way we know it today. 2. AI Agent Orchestration. Lead in industrial settings. This person will manage and optimize the deployment of autonomous software agents, scheduling, inventory, quality agents across production, said Karan Talati, CEO of First Resonance. 3. AI Audience Strategist. This person can use AI to analyze audience behavior and spot emerging trends, said Yuri Smagorinsky, CEO at Euler. They will help creators and teams adapt content to micro-trends in real time and even predict which formats are likely to succeed. 4. AI Behavior Architect. As AI agents become more autonomous and embedded in everything from customer service to supply chain management, someone needs to design how these agents behave, not just their functions, but their tone, ethics, edge cases, and escalation logic, said Gorlovetsky. Think of it like UX design, but for decision-making and interaction flow in AI systems. It's part psychology, part ops, part systems design. 5. AI Data Context Architect. This professional will be responsible for ensuring AI systems are trained and prompted within the right business context, said Steve Zisk, Senior Product Marketing Manager of Redpoint Global. Think of it this way. AI doesn't just need data, nor can that be acceptable. It needs ready data. But beyond the usual clean and accurate definitions, context will be everything. For instance, what does this field in the customer profile mean to marketing versus finance? Should a model treat this behavior as churn risk or loyalty potential? An AI data context architect will bridge the gap between data engineers, data scientists, and business users to ensure AI outputs are not only accurate, but also relevant, compliant, and useful. 6. AI Enablement Partner. These professionals will help non-technical audiences, sales, marketing, operations teams, effectively adopt AI in their workflows, said Jaxi Zhu, Head of Analytics and Insights at Google. The AI Enablement Partner brings a deep understanding of organizational behavior, change management, and applied AI literacy. Key responsibilities should include diagnosing team and personal-level barriers to AI adoption, such as workflow friction, trust gaps, and designing and customizing onboarding programs for AI co-pilots, agents and automation tools including trainings, pilot programs, and on-the-job coaching. 7. AI Integrity Analyst. This role would guard against the production of insecure or unusable code, customer service bots failing to handle anything beyond the simplest requests, and recruitment platforms introducing bias, said Sarah Doughty, Vice President of Talent Operations at Talent Lab. This role will involve ensuring that AI outputs are accurate, safe, and aligned with company goals and ethics. This role could combine elements of QA, risk management, compliance, and even user experience. Over time, I could see companies developing entire AI oversight units, tasked not just with cleaning up after AI, but proactively guiding how it's integrated and monitored across the business. 8. AR Creator. This position will be a hybrid of digital artist, AI prompt engineer, and brand storyteller, said Anna Belova, CEO and founder at Deva. Even with AI, time is precious, and that's where AR creators come in. These professionals combine AI tools with creative strategy to craft immersive experiences quickly, affordably, and at scale. I believe AR creator will soon be as common a title as video editor or content strategist. 9. Autonomous System Integrator. This role will specialize in orchestrating complex multi-agent AI systems, ensuring communication and task execution across various AI models, said Nick Adams, co-founder and CEO at Xerox. 10. Factory Intelligence Architect. This professional would be charged with designing the logic, workflows, and interaction rules between AI agents, systems, and human operators, said Talati. 11. Manufacturing Agent Coach. Coaches digital agents by tuning their parameters, reviewing edge case decisions, and guiding continuous improvement, much like managing a team of junior staff, said Talati. 12. Multimodal AI Designer. As lines between input interfaces are blurred in favor of natural conversational inputs, a multimodal AI designer specializes in designing seamless interfaces across voice, gesture, text, image, and touch, said Tej Kalyanda, UX designer at Google. 13. Prompt Ethnographer. This role consists of UX researchers who study how people across cultures and languages use AI to ensure inclusive understanding, said Kalyanda. 14. Prompt Scene Editor. This professional would work at the intersection of language and vision, where one misplaced word can turn a dreamy picnic into a Lovecraftian nightmare, said Gadi Kovler, CEO of Radius. It's not just about writing prompts. You've got to notice what feels off, what looks wrong, what gives uncanny valley vibes, and what's passable as human. A good prompt scene editor knows how to talk to the machine to get the exact result. They understand framing, tone, lighting, coherence between scenes, and how to steer the AI toward usable results as required by the director without starting from scratch. In a world where high-quality content will be instant, someone still needs to make sure it makes sense. 15. Synthetic Reality Producer. This person curates AI-generated environments or entire narratives for training, entertainment, or simulation as AI-generated video and voice become mainstream, said Gorlovetsky. Someone will need to manage these casts of virtual characters and ensure consistency, accuracy, and impact. It's like being a showrunner, except your actors are generative models.